To use H&R Block tax software, start by downloading and installing the program from the official H&R Block website. Once installed, launch the software and create an account if you are a new user. If you have used H&R Block before, log in with your existing credentials. Next, select the type of tax return you need to file, such as a personal return or a return for a business. The software will then guide you through a series of questions to determine your filing status, income, and deductions. As you progress through the software, you will be prompted to enter your personal and financial information, including your name, address, and social security number. You will also need to report your income from various sources, such as your job, investments, and any self-employment income. The software will then ask you about your deductions and credits, such as mortgage interest, charitable donations, and education expenses. Be sure to have all of your relevant documents and receipts available to ensure you claim all eligible deductions and credits. Once you have entered all of your information, the software will calculate your tax liability and provide you with a summary of your return. Review this summary carefully to ensure everything is accurate and complete. If you need to make any changes, you can go back and modify your entries as needed. When you are satisfied with your return, you can e-file it directly with the IRS through the software. It is also important to note that H&R Block offers various support options, including phone and online chat support, in case you have any questions or need assistance with the software. Additionally, the software includes audit support, which means that if you are audited, H&R Block will provide you with guidance and representation. Overall, using H&R Block tax software is a straightforward and efficient way to prepare and file your taxes. By following these steps and taking advantage of the software's features and support options, you can ensure that your taxes are done accurately and on time.